Now you will learn how to use MetaTrader 5 on your phone even as a beginner. I will show you how to log in, navigate the app, open, close and manage trades, and in the end I will give you a great alternative app for trading. First, let me give you a bit of background on what is MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is one of the world's leading trading platforms with over 10 million downloads with the average rating of 4.7 stars out of 5 based on more than 1 million reviews. It's not a broker, but you can trade here different assets such as crypto, forex, gold and commodities, indices and almost any types of assets you can imagine. MetaTrader 5 was officially released in 2010, so it has a long and successful track record. And now I will show you how to set it up and get started from zero. So I will delete the app to show you the whole process. First, you can download and install the app on your phone by clicking right here. Then you click here open. Then you click here accept. And first it offers you to open a demo account. If you want that I create a tutorial on MetaTrader demo account, let me know in the comments below my video. This time I will close this option right here and it opens this broker's view. If I go back, here on the home page or quotes it says no trading accounts to show, add trading account. So you click right here and here you will connect with a broker. In my previous videos I have shown you how you can connect MetaTrader 5 with Bybit, and there are hundreds of different brokers available. Now I will connect with BITGET, which is also one of the top crypto trading platforms in the world. I have copy pasted BITGET server right here and I click right here and then you will log into your account. Notice that your broker will give you the login details. In this case BITGET has given me the login details. I will write my user ID here and then my password here. After that I will click here login and we will come back once I have logged in. Next, let me show how you can navigate on this app step by step, starting from this first page which is known as quotes or assets. First of all, you will see many trading pairs right here. Just to show you some examples, here we have gold against US dollar. Here we have silver against US dollar. And if you prefer a simple view mode, you can click right here and it shows you the details like this. And then you can switch back by holding here and click advanced view mode and it gives you more details. Simple view mode may be better for beginners. Now if you want to add more assets here on the home screen, you can click this plus icon on the top and now your broker will provide different assets here. Let me take some indices as an example. Here we find for example S&P 500 index cash CFD, Dow Jones index, and then a couple of European indexes and also an index from Japan. Let's take this S&P 500. Let's take also Nikkei and also the index from Germany. Now we go back and you can see them here on the bottom. US 500, Japanese 500, Germany 40. If you want to remove any trading pairs, you can click this pencil icon on the top and then you can click this one and you can choose which ones to remove. Let me choose for example 7 different trading pairs. I click this again and you can see now we have a much cleaner home page. If you want to see more details about any of these trading pairs, you can hold it and you can click here properties. Then it gives you more information about that trading pair and asset. You can scroll down, you will see the commission rate, opening times and more information. For example, this one seems to be trading from Monday to Friday, but it's not trading on Sundays or Saturdays. Let's go back and now we move into charts. Here we have currently Euro versus US dollar, but you can choose any trading pair you want. Let me go back to quotes. Let's take for example this one right here, gold versus Australian dollar. I click here chart and it draws the chart right here and it takes me to the charts tab. Now you can analyze the chart right here and you are able to choose different things. For example, if you click here M5, you are able to choose the different time frames for your trading pair. For example, daily candles, and now it shows daily candles for your trading pair. In this case, each candle means what happened for these assets within 1 day. If we take for example M1, now it shows much shorter time frames, so each candle represents what happened for these assets each minute. When you go for the trade, you will see your open trades. I will show you an example in a moment. You can open trades right here on the top or also here on quotes. I will give you more info in a moment. Here on the history, you will see your closed trades, positions and orders. And when we go back and I click here on the top left, these 3 lines, and here you are able to find, for example, news, mailbox, also known as announcements. You can see here economic calendar, so what will be happening in the future, and you are able to choose settings right here. Here you can choose, for example, order sounds, so it will play sounds when you make orders. You are able to choose one-click trading. I don't recommend this for beginners, but if you are advanced, it can make trading faster. And here you can choose different things. For example, increase your security, enable news, choose the language and other general settings. Next, let me show you how to open, manage and close trades on this app. First, you obviously want to have some money in your broker account. When I click here for trade, I show you that I have $134 on this BITGET TradFi account, so I'm able to open and close these trades. First step is of course choosing a trading pair. You can choose any of these on your home screen, or you can click here for plus, and again you can choose any pair that your broker supports. Let me choose this US 500 right here, and I click here new order. Here it will start showing you the price, and then you are able to execute your trade. The default option is the market execution, so doing it in the market price, but here you can do also limit orders and stop limit orders. Market execution is the easiest for beginners because it executes the trade immediately. With limit orders, you choose a specific price where you want to buy or sell the asset. I will show you now examples with the market execution because it's the easiest and the fastest. Here, before opening your trades, you are able to set up stop loss prices and also take profit prices, so the trade will take profits and stop loss automatically if you want to enable them. You can also choose them empty if you prefer to set them up later. And here on the bottom you can sell, so short, or you can buy long. And of course here on the top you can choose how big order size you want to choose. I click here buy for long and you can see it's done. So it was done almost immediately, and here we will see the trade. I will show you in a moment how to manage that trade, but now I will go back to quotes and I will also show you an example on how to short assets. Let me choose here gold versus Australian dollar. I click here new order, and again it starts drawing the price charts here, and now I will choose here to sell by market. Let me increase the order size a little bit. I click here sell by market, and here it is. You can see right here it's done. Since my order size was bigger one with this gold trade, you can see the loss immediately is much bigger because the price is going to the opposite direction. Now if you want to manage your trades, you can simply hold your finger right here, and here you are able to close position, modify position, add new order, or even see the chart. Let me give you an example of closing position. Click right here, and here you can either set up the stop loss and take profit again, or I can click here close with loss, and you can see it was done. And of course if your trade would have been on profit at that point, it would have said close with profit. Now let me show how you can also modify your position. So I click here modify position, and here I'm able to modify it. I have set up stop losses and take profits right here. I click here modify, and you can see it's done. Now they are set up there. If I click modify position, you can see they are right here. Now if I want to close the trade, again I hold it, I click here close position, and here it shows close with loss. And notice here on the top I'm able to close, for example, part of the trade. For example, half the trade. I click here close with loss, and it's done. And you can see still half of this trade trades stays right here. You can also move your finger like this and it gives you different options right here. For example, if you click this chart icon, it will show you the chart. Then if you click, for example, this one, it will allow you to modify the trade. And if you click right here, you are able to close your position. So I click here close with loss and you can see it's done, and now we are again on the clean slate. That example also illustrates to you the risks of trading these assets, because just when I was explaining to you, this account lost more than $5 worth of value. And that's one of the reasons why I want to give you a better alternative app for trading, which is much easier and nicer, and it also have much more products available. It's this app right here called Bybit, and here you can trade anything you want. You can trade crypto in spot, futures and options. On TradFi you are able to trade metals such as gold, silver. You are able to trade stock products, indices, forex, commodities, and you notice immediately that their user interface is much nicer and it's much easier to use for beginners. They also have much more products available. When you click here more, you will notice so many things. For example, here on the finance, they have earn products available. They have crypto loans. You are able to get a card where you can use your money easily in real life. And they also provide amazing welcome bonuses. And that's why I will leave you in the first link of the description the best welcome rewards for this app. When you click right here, you will see my face, my name, and the details of your welcome rewards. And you can create your free account right here to click Get My Welcome Gifts.